Joanna Sobran, my company is MXOtech. I started the company 15 years ago. We're a woman-owned business, and we truly believe in diversity. My company, we are a full IT services organization. We do everything from helping you fix computers to implementing ERP systems, integrating applications, security, and then just generally outsourcing all of your IT. Many times when we work with organizations, they don't necessarily want to hire a full-time person, so they outsource to a company like us because instead of hiring the jack of all trades and master of none, they hire a team of people that have all the expertise to help them lead with technology.
My name's Karen Burmeister, and I work for MXOtech. So working with the TMA has given us the opportunity to interact with more people within the manufacturing industry. I think it's really allowed us, though, to just really be involved more within the industry and learn firsthand the challenges and the issues that are being faced within the industry, and to then help us take some of those problems back to the office and figure out what kind of technology could we implement or bring to our clients to help solve this issue.
The impact that we've been making on these clients, not just of bringing them technology to innovate and attract new talent, but also our company is High Trust NIST certified. We're running our customers through a big security audit, making sure that their business is protected so all that data and the growth that they have in their business isn't compromised.
So we have one customer that we've had for 5 years, and when they started with MXO, they had one plant. And over the years, we've been able to implement the technology to help them set up 4 additional plants. We took them from 10 employees to over 200 employees, and it's been so exciting to be able to be part of that growth and to see how they've been able to flourish over the last years by implementing the right type of technology.